The tradition of celebrating holidays in space dates back to 1968, when the Apollo 8 crew became the first humans to mark Christmas beyond Earth's orbit. As Frank Borman, James Lovell, and William Anders circled the moon that Christmas Eve, they shared a profound moment with Earth, reading the opening verses of Genesis while broadcasting breathtaking images of the lunar surface. Their historic broadcast reached an estimated 1 billion people across 64 countries, creating one of the most memorable Christmas celebrations in human history. 5 years later, the Skylab 4 crew showed remarkable creativity in bringing holiday cheer to space. Gerald Carr, Edward Gibson, and William Pogue celebrated not just Christmas, but also Thanksgiving and New Year's aboard the station. They crafted a makeshift Christmas tree using leftover food containers, decorated it with colored decals, and topped it with a cardboard comet, proving that the holiday spirit can flourish even with limited resources. A particularly meaningful celebration occurred in 1993, when NASA astronaut Jeffrey Hoffman brought Hanukkah to space. After completing a spacewalk during the Hubble Space Telescope servicing mission, Hoffman marked the Festival of Lights with a traveling menorah and dreidel, bringing ancient traditions into the space age. The arrival of the International Space Station in 2000 ushered in a new era of holiday celebrations in orbit. The first ISS crew established what would become an enduring tradition, reading goodwill messages to Earth during the holiday season. William Shepard, the commander, even honored a naval custom by composing a poem for the first New Year's entry in the station's log. These traditions continue today, with modern crews finding innovative ways to celebrate. Just recently, Expedition 70 astronaut Jasmine Mogbelli's family created a felt menorah for her Hanukkah celebration on the station. Since open flames aren't allowed in space, she marked each night by adding felt lights to the menorah. Even something as simple as spinning a dreidel takes on new meaning in microgravity, where it will keep spinning until it bumps into something, unable to land on any of its four sides. For more than 2 decades now, the International Space Station has maintained an unbroken chain of holiday celebrations, with at least one American astronaut spending Christmas in space every year since 1999. These celebrations, while far from traditional, remind us that human traditions and festivities can adapt and thrive even in the most extraordinary circumstances.